Hi, welcome back to our channel, and today we've switched things up a bit. Now, I know a lot of you enjoy watching sports with your friends and family, and you've probably eaten appetizers such as wings and burgers, and drinking some beverages such as beer while you're watching that sport. So today we're going to show you how to make another game time or party snack. These are dried beef strips. They're sweet in flavor, and they're not dry to the point where they become unbearable. You can use these strips to dip in different sauces, like what you do to French fries. Overall, it's a very unique but delicious snack that you can make for parties or anytime you're watching a game. So without further ado, let's go! Hey, you made it to the end of the video, and you definitely won because you just learned how to make a snack for any sports occasion. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button in the corner, leave a like on the video, and I'll see y'all next time.